Guys, I wanted to show you this 4-pack of puzzles that I purchased for my kids. I'm always looking for like screen-free activities for them to do. And if I just lay a puzzle out like this, they're going to gravitate towards it and try it. Why I like these comparative to maybe some other ones is that my kids really like that, like searching for things like clues, and these all have that. So after they build the puzzle, you can see they can like go ahead and play this game where they're searching for all these different characters in the images. The images are like really fun and creative, super like imaginative, and I like that they're not like it's challenging for them, but not where it's like, you know, one big cloud and it becomes like impossible to do because of how vivid the colors are and everything that's going on. I feel that, you know, it's easier for them to try to figure out. They come in a bag, each one, so you could kind of keep them nice and separate. And the colors are really pretty and vibrant. They're easy to handle for kids. They're not too small, which I think is really important, but you know, it's fun for like the whole family to get involved and to figure out. We all like doing puzzles, so I find that this is fun to leave out and everybody goes ahead and does it. There is like a barcode on here, so you can scan, like a QR code that you can scan and add some additional games if you want to add on, like, you know, more gaming to it with like an iPad or an iPhone. So there is that option as well. And you can go, you know, store it in the boxes that then all stack on top of each other. So I do like that. So I can just leave them all on the shelf and pull one out. Good value. There's 4 of them. So everybody can like either work on their own or we can all work on one together. Really cute puzzle that I'm excited we have. It's 100 pieces in each one, and this is what like 100 pieces looks like. So again, like it's like a perfect challenge for my kids. Like it's not too hard, but it's not too simple that they're putting it together right away. Definitely recommend these.